The SPX on the very, very short-term charts, we just came up into our resistance level on Friday. It looks like today it's going to break out of that level, at least intraday. If it holds, we have another level here, which is our primary downtrend line. SPX is probably going to fish for that. The NASDAQ having broken out of that, we're also watching, for the SPX and the Dow to do the same thing. If they do the same thing, that would increase our bullishness in the market. Of course, a failure or a drop down below lows would have us thinking the other direction, but so far everything's been quite calm and quite good. And with the Russell, our very short-term charts, we had a clean breakout here actually on Wednesday. We retested Thursday, we bounced Friday, so that's very short-term, that's bullish. Again, our primary downtrend line puts us up at around 1580 here. That's likely where we're going. Breaking out of that area is longer-term bullish, means we'll probably be fishing for previous highs. But as of right now, we remain the same, basically a sideways to slightly bullish bias. We start seeing more breakouts, then we will get increasingly bullish.